Hello friends, we are going to write a program to input a value in kilometers and convert it into miles. So, kilometer to mile conversion. 1 kilometer equal to 0.621371 miles. So our input is kilometer. We ask the user to enter the value in kilometer and we have to convert the entered value in miles and we have to display the result. 1 kilometer equal to 0.621371 miles. I am declaring a variable km equal to input of, I ask the user enter kilometers. Enter kilometers. Next, I have to convert it into miles. Miles. That means 1 kilometer equal to 0.621371 miles. So we have to multiply km with 0.621371. Okay, now the conversion is happened. I am printing a value. Print kilometers and the string kilometers and colon. It will give a proper format, kilometers, a space, a colon. After that I am printing a value km. Likewise I am printing print miles, comma miles. That's it. We are going to run the program. So my input is, I am giving it as a 50 kilometer. It shows some error. Yes, why it shows an error? I didn't convert. Okay, this is a place. Okay, so here the input statement always which receives a string and return as a string. For arithmetic operation, the kilometer I have to mention it into integer. The convert I didn't make the conversion. That's why it shows an error. When I enter a value, it shows an error. What error it shows? Okay, can't multiply sequence by non-int of type float. Trying to multiply float with some other non-integer value. That is an error. What I am doing, I convert it into an integer now. Integer of input of enter kilometer. Okay. Now I am giving 50 kilometers. 50 kilometers. I am getting a value. Kilometers 50 equal to mile equal to 31.06855 is my mile. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.